Oh, senior, how about rain? Come on. Give me a bag. Wow. I say bag look heavy. How was that day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hair pan is short. I'm have a good evening pan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link, boss. How go on me?
You know, say I did me day upon a little, I did that thing.
That's so I go on, man.
That's the word. That's the word. They come on.
I am a boss. Link him up. Link.
This morning.
Babes, you know, so I have to just jump in on them early, man, because that's how the thing go down, so, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, so in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, never got no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time, so come on, never got no work. They said I know. Come meet your road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, me cook dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower.
Yeah.
And eat. And I have something for you.
Talk about that, I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's always said, baby. You'll find out soon enough. James.
Go on, babes.
You have something to tell me?
Oh, that, I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James. What is this? Oh. So your son start early, but you know you're dumb. I can't talk. Alright, so. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So, and I'm in this relationship, but you're alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read on this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if we see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And for you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. I want to know. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're gone and market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain and fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now me say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me don't even know if I see right to granny back. No, sir? 0.00. Them are zero longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Yeah, you know if you go on some man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance and you have to have faith in a man. we still have a chance, man. Nobody go on someone and make it look someone and make it look bad all for me too. You don't have to make me look so bad, babe, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Months, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me to know, babe. The sun I get red power here, so. So make it grow on my back for a reason, in my cool shit.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye not the front, you know. Yeah, me have it, but here what now. And me know what go on, and me know, say, a long time where I plan this thing. God know me, I tell you, say, me never even know how to put it here when we get it. Yeah, but me just you want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we have to go now? Are that baby? That is low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots can drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor then we can check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
we give up, so man.
You know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. Me go college, me focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything for become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know, I don't...
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
Come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's a lie. How do we wicked, man? You mean to tell me so you not get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you gonna stay with me? Oh no wicked and lie now? What that?
No, babe, so you go on, so man. Calm down, man. You tell you if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that, we're there here, man. A matter of fact, we just want to say a little reason to, so we're there here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there, and I'll be where say I'm going with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off a face like earth, you know. Too long I don't see you, and so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't stress everything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, I say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want your help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah.
No, so but this not sound good. So you live happy married life and have problem in it?
Even happy marriages have problems, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a problem we have down our yard, and I'm not going to go to go ask anybody because I don't trust them like that. I did this so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, or I can help me with this problem.
Well, now you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me why problem because if me can help you more, I feel help you, you know, so just tell me why problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like it not work. So me just come to you now to see if you can help me out. Come I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. Me start so in done. Why? The moment I come to know what it is. The thing, they don't machine that.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
Can you say something I do? You can't talk about me coming, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast the cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work.
I said early zaman udah dia smoke ganja man. Yo man, I only plan this. Me see what I know. You can find something you should do man. You should do not going to find something man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, me see you just up like you're a pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out and say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church now. I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me pass me see there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now come to church. Right, sir?
Morning again, Pastor. I have a question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave her house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style upon your road and then wait. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. And one on the pastor, I left out something to you know. See? I don't want the man no want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you done do, pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you done about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. No, in my church, I preach God's word. I'm bother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to deal with that. Right? Nothing.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, say, you hear one touch up, man.
James, you say sweet monkey.
You have got to touch up a little more, man. I want to see here a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm not talking, man. I'm not here. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You don't want your water.
Yes, you know, say from what you know and talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude from what you I wonder what happened to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, if I don't know if I look a result thing, I make your head stir up still. But anyway, I remember say, Pastor will come still, so I'm come pray for you and give you a counseling. You understand? So if I that, I'm going to make your head work too much over that. Yeah.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But if you tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and all the medicine.
No, man. You don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me can show you a better way, man. Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church, and which part of your church I keep, you know?
Right down my Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear I don't think you understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go on back inside, yeah? Me and sleep on the face saying, peace, man, peace, and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we, you know what we are doing?
Be, one thing in here too negative, you know. You're not so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have working. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out of the sun, Pastor, man. Yeah, man. Have a seat. Have a seat.
So, what do you do, man? Good, you know, daughter, everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We're just there going to enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, if you're there with us, I go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Right, man, right. I understand now what the issue is going, right? So, when you show it to me, you what going?
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we're there and we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you need to put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in the bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you're changed. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it because your body.
Pastor, nothing know about that, man. What are we doing? You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So me talk in peace. You want me breathe in peace?
I'm not have to worry, man. I'm not have to worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. Never try?
So, you're not Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not in my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have pitney. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So I'm matter of fact, I'm going inside.
No babes, you're not fair going some man. Then if Pastor come to talk to us. Pastor, now watch that, yeah.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That woman, if you don't mind, somebody will agree with you.
Yes, Pastor. So you see, you're leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor. So hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with umbrella when you come. And
Actually,
you
no,
travel.
man. You like it rain how far with you. That's it, me can't reach up for it rain.
You have them time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, 2 weeks now, you know. I know I can't see no switch down. matter of fact. Just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can check me and check you.
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit there. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then I just tell us I never beard. Hand on my head.
B, me out there with the pass for about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel you're sitting there, I can't take you up the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, and I know.
Go play till you can prove it. I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. It's not easy.
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place I go like pan we you know. Tell me make you look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But some know say sometimes I think I'm not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant and 1 month before I start seeing any symptom every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man come want to know. Yeah, only pass up, yeah man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, I'm going to trust yourself, right? Take it easy, because you know, say for stress, you only got me to worry. But what you can do is, I tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up the position them, because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you have to switch them up. But anyways, I'm going to go up here, so here, me link you. Alright, thank you. Let's go.
GMs! I'm going to do a lap. I'm going to finish it, please.
Go on.
Oh yeah, girl, like you go out so.
Yeah, I say, baby man, then look how long me there wait for you. Right now I have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal with.
No, B, you can't leave. You don't know, so we have something to do.
You want to know, what I have to deal is very important. So I have to go up the road. What we have to do, you can't deal with the come on, man. I soon come back. I not spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal with that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't deal that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like really?
How is this? Oh, yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours, so you have to come now.
No, man, I can't link you to your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no family, man, you don't know yourself, sir.
Wow, you're like going to trick him. I wonder what you're like going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey, all husband included in there. No, say when you're too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah, man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I get, once I set the gate up, I go on with it. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash!
Yes, you're rude. I'm not here now. Get in that color.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so you know my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in the town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
And the money I save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm come back off the road and you know something. And I'm come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired to talk to you.
Nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up and cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want to buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too. Again? At the end. Oh, you're there.
Chanel,
Yeah?
come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. If you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there go.
Your mother don't have them go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I don't hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Red Chanel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, show me how I'm complete, and I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she'll go night town, sir. I'm supposed to go night town, you know. I never know say you have to stop by. So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, and I don't food now, so we can't eat.
I'm cool, girl. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Oh, God, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there. have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one cancel it for me.
My friend has stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 She not call me. Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are come so for somebody there? I'll take out the clothes them cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. But should allow the lawyer can't get me and help him. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and go on. I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun act and talk about rain and go fall. But they're nice, man. Key, make more on there. See the good juice here. Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it. So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it. Sun draws me up and because I'm a man take up and want to sleep. Did I use the sun not hot? I told the time to look overcast. I want to sleep. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't sit at the house. So hurry up. a dirty boy when she want to go with. Mwana, bola bola. Mwana, if I'm that even moving now. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I go do nothing, I'm going to town, I go. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless. I come go in here because you can't go and shut and believe what you want to believe. Because I tell you some girl and son, I'm not going to do nothing. She's not there here. Look, if you mean, come see another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and know so she's not there. How for this? Most of the boy them had this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there. No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this. But me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this. But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have me and for your money by it. Me a real job. Money for fix up my TV. Even though no one I get my 30,000 for fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess that TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say you're very prime. Come, hey,
I don't know, you know, but when I go find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford she's not war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? It's not matter you want to talk about this. Me don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on? You have no plan to tell me what really happened?
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I push this now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Like I fly low and I forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wanted. How about that now? I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm saying. The best advice I can give after that shit right now. I don't have the money, I give me some money. I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now, I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, what going? But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, so me now look a spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you know, say my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How will you girl, man? I don't tell her to the yard.
May I come to mother, yeah? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not tell you say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there when me have this baby down I was streaming and I go collect little food for me.
Should I know this so?
Me I want you link her because I have a piece of money I want she go collect for me. You see it?
Alright. Hello? Oh, I don't know. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go and wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me a phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See the money that do not own.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know. I must find out here. You say any day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me would even talk. You say if you ever breed now this girl, me tell you something, your grandpeople, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. Me say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out to the sun, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
Ice milk. Hello? So me a call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me a call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something that's a check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're gonna call it the something 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
Everyone, no.
So girl, let's not tell your mother yet about it.
Girl, not for me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
Just stand there. You look on me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I'm need have to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I mean, nobody said I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, how are you? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell him, the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean, I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy, I know the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect the money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just that ask. Anyways, I'm going to find another solution. Because I just ask me to ask. But girl, I know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, No bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? Alright, now on the live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day story this, I to them want the money, today, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still, My youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, my girl are forwarding today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time I ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighborhood know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I sort out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time I friend.
Yeah, I hear you But I just how you deal with things, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, you go see how deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing, probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, I'm no bullshit, dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and... Can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to
Today
so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want no talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But, yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach him. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move now.
Come in like mommy, you know. I just a story the mango them say when mango done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you need to know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery to go do.
Yes, sis. Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, no. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything is good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What the?
Remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know you know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know say if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work out, me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know say I get in some money, you know. So here what you go do. I want you left 100 grand. In a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I'm tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach now. Just make sure so you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious them with the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Hey, baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, it's a 50 grand, I look for
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming? I mean.
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. Bro. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. I just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you don't see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests now. Yo, which column you talk about?
You
I
know
ask you.
There's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild goose chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I want stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know if you bother with the one bag of loud nice brother and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. Hey, see there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key, hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women get the money.
They sound like it. They sound like it. Cause here, you know, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you know there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. What nobody not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say
Like I eat it, this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl say my money there? You don't know my money there. Hey, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? No, you need. No, let me catch you pregnant. Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what you say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody never knows that.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, it's still this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, I don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them seeing you, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together.
When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and one G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look. Alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair. You know what I would do?
And action. And action.
Well, pause it, cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop that shut.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell you so she'll go on the veranda with me. Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see it for. No, me can't say me don't see it.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother. Yo, go on. You know, say you must run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
You know, say a long time me not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grant once more. I tell you if you check into AVTV, you don't know over here so there. Yeah, man, in the east, yeah, more you see what I go on because them put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know your boy, board grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to, no? So yes, people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense to you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see, will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for you follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day if I big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.
Lord God Almighty,
Watch out, Lisa, what?
Lisa, what go on? Look for what me rent there. I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come call about what go on, Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out a gate, you should have called to them. You come and contact, but me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, no go. I'm going to start out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you still get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on, the Lisa, and I have to reach so far. Me just come off the road. Me just run go up here and beard and put on some clothes. If you get the money, later on me sort out here, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When? Next 3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me don't get no money from you today. I get put out. You see that lot there?
I'm fresh. I'll go up on the road. Me I go sort out one little thing, and you get the money, man. You know,
so
for a base,
I give privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crutches. Oh God, think you man, you didn't get garment today, yeah? Because sadness.
Relax, man. One tea. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yes, please, my honor.
One tea. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? Me don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me a talk about. Hello? And that me a talk about. See there? In your phone.
You love make a big deal out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. I don't talk about that, you know. I start me talk about the focus. We have to focus on the style. And that me talk about. Me concern about the business. We barely make the money and start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make the money and start, you know. You make the business and go on with that. You cause all of that.
Because of me. I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tell you that.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. Me understand that, but you understand that. So we can't depend on phone all day, I text on phone and not focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait for things to happen. We have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy, and the principle, you know.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things happen, brother, police are got involved, you know.
Brother, Westmoreland G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that alone, you know, say better if you use your phone and call and me get the boy show say a styling thing in the pan.
Our situation is done situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like drown again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people come out of the water, we get stung by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on the foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now gonna spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and we around there so you all quit them off.
Watch out now. I follow up the argument in there, but you're done. You follow up the argument. But you may say them to you now. want you go back and start. And pay attention. You understand? Me I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you go down there.
Go on back and start and talk to me like that. Go on back and start.
Here, no? Here we have. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, I use my phone and call him. I say if I get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a joke, man. See the phone ring, you know? See the be a joking man there for me. See they gone to voicemail now. I'm sure it's a be a joking man there.
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, when expect me to do more than what
Call my girlfriend.
Hello, baby, what's up?
You're fine job doing, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain in my butt. But I'm still a one do me have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
Use my phone and call him and see if I get him, see?
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, no, babe, so I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, said the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, so me I put enough effort in this year work for me and you don't it?
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, I really and truly appreciate what you do for me. General. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out every day my day I work and it's like I don't really see nothing, you see me? I don't really see nothing. But guess what I'm on my life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute, man. Hello?
You the boy answer. Yo! What? Where money there? Remember you don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Yes.
Oh, I think that's skinny. What going man?
Want my money reach me today, or else.
No, I don't want to say I work for you, brother. I work for you, man. Trust me, I work for you. Just that, you know, things tough, brother. And I'm little sister I take care of sitting by you. You know, things kind of tough, brother. But me, I work for you, man. Trust me, I work for you.
A month me away for the money, you know. I know I hear boy and your sister. So this is not gonna happen to you today, yeah. Or else, I will see what I want. You see me?
Skinny. What do you want, star?
Yo, you know what dog, you call me dog now, you speak. What go on, me dog?
No, say it's a move me I go up on me general.
You know, say me have a little work, see you, mash. Yeah, man. I wish what you said again.
No, I'm Blueface the man, man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? Let me charge you come in there and show me a little vibes and when you walk over the beach, you see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match for him, so you wanna? You gonna give you the work.
So much that they work, they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is youth and I'm missing on my dream. You see, alright, watch it. You see, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear about it.
Yeah, you know, some come up with here. Nah, man, everything alright, man. Everything good, man. You call about the good. Same.
Alright. Like seriously?
Yeah, what's for this?
$400, sir.
I too dear, man. I can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. A beach just don't want to go. People come to enjoy themselves now, so I can't go with a price on this. People are stressed out on the meal price of this, man.
You're not easy, sir. If you not pay that, put it back down, please. Put
Need
it
it,
back
man,
down.
so you give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much for the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach off of it. Eh?
What you mean?
A beach just enough. Hi, girl. People come to eat a bun and drink a drinks and you're selling so dear, man. Come down with some better price.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, you can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I don't make no money, you know. Yeah? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir. And if I want something to buy, just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
buy.
how I can't make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. What a way they look to buy.
Hurry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me, I say, so just, you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you want to run this style here?
No, sir. I'm here, my brother, and my lifeguard over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
Okay, my name I know, but everybody call me Tala. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come to chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill, me come a beach, come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like some of the stress. So around here you come from?
I'm not really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No, if you want exchange number with me, we can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I will want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out.
Karen!
Yeah, left a stone ginger wine. Thank you, later. Alright.
So, I'm going to kill her. So, nothing sell if I stall it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want lady come here, come buy one water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you know, I go down to the place to watch people, you know, so. Go and date me, you know.
You want me to make a long so?
Hello, miss. Are you already started?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do with my boy? You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, if you make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? How about that? No, no bother with it. Go and do your business with that one day. Now do that.
You're going to get for the guns. You see me? You're going for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them little something here from the stall. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Hear me number, make you give me a call, man. You see, pretty? Yeah, man, just think about it, man. You see me? Give me a link, man. You see it?
Yo, brother, you know, some people are going to detail, but I want some money for a fine, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for borrow, man. I want some money.
That is my time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I have bridging. I like you, for what you say, I move away, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Oh, man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. Because I make sure say reach your back. You see me, I say, but I do that. I do some things I have to do. I don't really want to chat about it, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back.
I know you not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money to borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. But how much money you want, sir?
You know, say I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55?
Yeah, man.
But, brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know how little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So me I go find that the money left from me, I know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a fully pips at work, your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready, that's good, man. Everything good, man. You see me? You stay, man. Everything good, man. Me match you like that. That good, man. Respect, stay. What you want now? I can go back to our post here, man. Alright. But respect still again, you see me?
Right, that's well, because we kind of done that so long. You know?
Yeah, man. Respect, brother.
Alright, brother.
What you mean, Blink? A long time when we were in the street, you know, you're there, so, brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know? Yeah, man. Be real, man. You know what I mean? I love
catch back your thing, and my fans, them love me. That's why things are original and cat. You know what I mean? Business, they moving supermarket, right place, right price.
Original
Beach,
original name, yeah.
Original name for the beach, for the people them know it's a cat to this for a long time. You understand? Yeah. My friend them there, lifeguard there. have a time for business, we have a time for friends show.
Jason,
Come
here.
Too far, man. Too far.
The boy.
Bring.
What
Bring in here something like I want gunshot.
Yeah, man. I'm like right up the side now.
Yeah. Alright. I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man.
Don't play me, that one.
Yesterday shoot somebody up the road, me I go look at who and see how they shoot. Me don't know. Back up.
I wonder who gets shot. Jesus. Come on, ambulance. What round this room, man? Run that room, man. No, I'm bring him to the hospital and just get shot. You see, so hear from him, man. I'm a brother. And then call the ambulance. No.
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on the G? Yeah. Alright, I see a word, man.
Alright, calm yourself, Tal. Them rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just see two away alone. Not even know me I go do right now.
You tell me, I have nobody at all. Nobody at all to call. No. Alright. Go sit down right there. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go best and come back. Sit down right there.
John was there, mama. Can't believe me get to find out say brother that the man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say they get shot. So where are they, so? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if the dog good and them really check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look at them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me, cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know. See the thing we may not tell about earlier on today, you see me? My best way right now, that would help out right now in my best way, you see me? I swear to you, would help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap, you see me? So right now that would be the best thing right now for you. Help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Cause I know you don't want your brother for dead right now. You see me? Yeah, what I gotta do now, mama? Zine, big man thing, cause I need one time to set people on me, cause you don't know where I have to deal with me, Zine. When you go down to the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Because I can't stay here right now, you see it, so I don't drop off a thing. You see it. about the family, man. For now, man, it's easy.
Yes?
You know someone ask you something?
Where you want? From there at the end, me vex with you, you know. But me not ready to deal with it yet, you know. But what you want?
Have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Good morning, folks. Alright, so in order to see the entire video, you're going to stroll down and see the first comment, the pinned comment, the same thing. There will be a link there. You click on that link and it will take you to the channel that has the entire video. Also, when you're taken to that channel, I want you to subscribe. That is where I plan to upload videos like these, right? Because, as in, I'm going to use that channel to bound me to creating professional work, right? Yes. Because people, oh, I'm up on the beach. I'm like a man in, you know, yeah. Yeah, so as I was saying, we don't want them say, we just out here, I take up camera, a video, and just put up, like no effort, no putting out what we do. Nah, man, we are very much capable of getting the professional stuff done with not much resource, because we know the professional stuff, you know. We know it and we're very much capable. So enough of the blabbing people. Go over there, watch the entire video, subscribe, do all of the good things there. See you very soon. Later.
Look at girl, you me talk to you know. I bet me tiffling one take one stone and bust in head. And me say if you do what me tell you do in your house already.
We can't do nothing in my piece.
Are you me talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Little girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me have to tell you, don't ramp with me. You say you. Go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. Don't leave me carry so much. You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in the town and come back. Yeah. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make your place wet up. And close the pan the line, right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone. I can't come down.
So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come?
Where you go on now, girl? Cause
You know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, no? I wear something about my name, but she load up her mouth and behave in most way.
Girl, don't worry about mommy, I say, before mommy go away, she go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room.
I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that kind of me feel for go me and go, you know. So you see I go and know sis, I pray for you.
I not even know, because right now my ears bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place who can go. Because see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she come back.
No, so do me have one spot we could go ahead and go one guest house. Me I tell her say up I guest house nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little good there.
That sound boring though, sis. But since it's a guest house, all I do, get some people and go over there and enjoy ourselves.
But you know? Yeah, girl, you know, see, right, do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody in because, but sure, if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to.
You know, so I'm not get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something you know, man. Hey, you can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the labor day, you know, so could money send but I could get for college because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all at today, so tomorrow thing that, doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. So, man, you can go on tomorrow.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them that text back, you know. They might say one of them might say, give me all care buckle. And the rest of them might text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here is the guest house there?
The guest house not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know lame party we are going to keep.
Yeah, man, alright. How we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
So, girl, they really think that Jay will come to you?
Girl, once I invite Jay will come. What's so special about Jay?
Girl, they know how long me have a crush for him. And I just know her from a long time. You know, you're saying you can't do anything, you know, so, you know what?
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
You know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see, hey, you sit down, where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Because you never get away from me, no. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up! Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something, me should come here and see you, know. Because guess what, you choose, you know, come here so. So I don't know what you come here and do. Turn around and look at me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose for left here so.
I go and I did I go away. I Kayla, I carry something come let off and I did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you see me you with her on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we you not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you no can trick me no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy, I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with that prank with you, mommy. See, if when next year,
here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video with you and make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I something me come to go and drop off true. I something me come to go and drop off to Kayla and then no.
Did you see her? No tell me no lie.
But me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me a phone. Where your phone there?
Kayla, what's that the phone there?
What ya? What ya? The phone dead. The phone just dead, mommy. The phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there what you say you make, it not happen because you mash up. And let me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idiot about phone dead and all these things? I told me I know about them my phone here, you know. That's why when I take me for Papi show. But here what? I'm not brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Girl, I'll go to you and tell him to come now. Jesus. I don't know what we are going to do. Girl, we should come here. We should come here. Yes, people, you know, say the last of the movie, and hope you enjoy it, and make sure you like and subscribe and share the video.
Big up on yourself so we can get more to it. Please, I want you know say I know she's not no behavior. She's still not no man, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm a baby them
Bye,
and still.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second, I don't know what call me them I was or not. How would it? So this man I don't know say different times. He got hung up though. I call him back. I know I send her money already, so I can't money him might call me back for ask about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that beg you know, and you pick me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened with that? What happened?
The other day I come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me have to just come in and mash up his seize them phone and them something there. You understand me?
So sis, what do you think I go happen when she call the father? But me not too worry now because me know what go happen. She will call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me a plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say it go happen and daddy go to me to turn up here. Sis if you bill off 5 phone is still you know about your run with. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you. But girl, me know the streets, I'm in the street code and right now in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in the house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and things. You know, nobody can tell me for eat that. Worst nice streets, what me know about stuff, nobody can tell me for eat that. The boy tease you know here, you know? Girl. But I'm glad that you're still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know. As she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and her manners to your mother. You never you take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, me can't bother phrase. Hey.
Jerry!
Oi! Oi, me a come then.
How is she there? You come with the water, you know, I want to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so how?
So me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Because you don't know what she don't tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it go, you know. When dog bites somebody how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not go respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, well, don't run, maybe you run, come say me dog bite. You see me, I don't find out where you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make me make you know from warn her, till I feel leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. But hold on there, which one of them can know a two daughter? Which one?
The fear complexion one, not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet, little girl, nasty girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she wouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that and it not gonna happen again. Me telling me apologize, me sorry about that, me talk to her. I understand, me sorry about that, me apologize. Understand me, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water, for your ear.
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long
Yeah,
time,
man.
but you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynicking. Troublemaker. Alright.
Man, what that money I call me for? Every minute this lady I call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady called me. What do you believe what she call me for? She called me from weird in the back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in contact up. Right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
As some me stay in a girl, you better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip and one part.
Chop, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over this to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I really up this again there. I hear me a call and then not answer. It's alright. You know, hear me? You come here and call in right here. Eh? You know that I say that here, me a call you know here. Good girl. You know want mash you up in here. You hear me I tell you? Listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me I adult in here there. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you going with when you cut out it. Because you see if you don't cut out it, you're going to see what happen between me and you. You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You will make him come here and influence you. You will mash up it to a woman in here. Me will mash up it to a woman.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Mommy!
Oi, so we all up my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have good night town.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want you buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure you plan your plan for the your little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. right? Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are left the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, doesn't know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That me I tell you.
I come go in now. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want you buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so me I go tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go in my souk come. I have to take out something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy every day there go.
Your mother don't know yard them here and go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? I'm you, especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Real channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell herself to take out the chicken. Remember to take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I will be able to sell it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me what I come get them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she going to night town, sir. I'm supposed to go to night town, you know. I never know say you stop by. So like you have plans. So like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you say they told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, I don't have food now so we can't eat.
I'm going to cook girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Baba, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there. You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 Shall I call me? Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there? But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should allow the lawyer. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and go on. I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall. But they're nice, man. Me have more on there, so look at juice here. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it. So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it. Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and go and sleep. Did I use the sun not hot? I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep. the out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up. Dirty boy, she want to go with me. I go to boy there. If I'm at the even move it. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I go do nothing, I'm going to town. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and I told me not go do nothing.
She done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? Most of the boy them had this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there. No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. She say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it.
Me really just.
I want one in there, so. Better than one in there, one. Wait, When I gonna get money for fix on my TV? Even I know one I gonna get my 30,000 for fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to hear me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey, I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? You don't matter want to talk about this. You don't like hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw something it go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she soon now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she soon now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly high, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, don't have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wanted. I want that now. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so. So you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for no pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing. The best advice I can give after dash it right now. I don't have no money, I give me some money. I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. But now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man that and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, you can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you girl, man? I don't tell her the yard.
Madam, hello? Hello? May I come to Mother, yeah?
Remember, if I talk to her about the situation, if I not on, she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not going to say this left yard. Eh? Much time you tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there when they go down I was doing and I collect a little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me. You see?
Alright.
Hello? Oh, that they know. I'm fixing this. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you now. Nothing no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well on as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need that do nothing no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out you hear me. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me would even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a town go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? See that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what him yourself on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're gonna call it the something 160,000, not $1 less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it? Girl, not me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother. But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret here for long. I say your belly I go show you know. Mother from the sick. Girl, come back here, my mother for ear. You stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, I take it to I go find me. But anyways, I was telling my mother, do you want to go now? I mean, I need to change my dress. I forgot to change back this and put on my dress. Girls, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are they? Good? Alright, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her. Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed. Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused. You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more penny for the rest of your life, so here, I'm not here. Just come to me. Alright girl, come and show me. Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. But girl, you know you could have never ask that.
Anyways, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, you know, my youth. No bother with that, you know. No bother with that, you know. Today you tell me, you know.
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, oh, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just look a bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I meet the whole neighborhood know me business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend me.
I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say, you know, I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me you apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as a last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably you have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me just a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to the right, so I'm not going to
that's all me remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man say, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. Me start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
This, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Oh, boy, some food in the cabin. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man. Give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? One chat to you about something. See if we can reach him a foot. Yeah, man. Alright, then. You don't know it. Well, since I said about coming time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready for move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. I just stole the mango them so when the mango done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You need to know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery for body.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, you know. Same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
You have a sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sounds like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, good, John. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? No, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, I don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything all good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
Remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you how to work. Now here I got, I know say I get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. I'm gonna get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently no be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. Yo. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me, I fool you. I just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are deal with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a while go chase
you
dog.
could have mad.
I tell you say the color. You see me? We just have something to deal with and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I'm that one stress moment off my brain. So I have to just go easy, man. You see me? You know, if you bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? My 2 phone them. I'm a car key. 2 phone my car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But when I told my head go sometime, let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you know there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. What about not coming about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it in there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. That's weird thing to do.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl that take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look, girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? You better say I'm murder, you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl, me say my money there. You don't know for my money there. Hey, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need because she's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. Look, you can put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, you straight to this. I don't know a thing, you see me? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. You see me? Big up my mother, big up my father, you see me? Big up the whole Atkins family. You don't know Mumpella the place, you see me? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. You see me? Ease yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them saying, yeah, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, me?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Saviour and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action.
We'll come back
And action.
Well, pause it, cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shit.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell you so she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see it.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, I treat my run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So, I don't want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I tell you if you check into AVTV, you don't know over here so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to, no? So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.